first phase. I don't know when Bernard Champa acquired that when Bernard Champa acquired that property. Almost a total lie. Property be na fuze ne so na kotoyana. When you feel toyo when you feel toyo obubugu. So many developments have gone into it. And it was not in 2008. The first phase. It was not in 2008. The first phase of the hotel was even opened in 2019. The first, me say the whole concept started in 2008. Concept. And at the first phase, no, Obiano in 2019. So and now when did he become a minister? When did he become a minister? What was say? 2019 you cannot say the 2008 there was a concept. Now concept hey, Manafu. What was say? Or your property no when he became a minister. Kakapaka otoboa. Then me boa. 2019 in fact, as I speak to you, Crown. Yeah. Several Ogusua or your expansion. Oh. I see. And to I don't know about how Casa 2019 by the champion then when people and this is forward. Catch me. And this is forward the penchant of say as a killing Ghanaian dream. And killing the Ghanaian entrepreneur. Like PDS. And killing the Ghanaian businessman. Like PDS. Also, don't talk about PDS. Don't talk about the champions. Foreigners to come and inject capital. Fresh capital. Who told you say? Part of it. So point is that Ghana was car. Ghana need Onyenipa. Yan kill the Ghanaian dream. How the PDS collapse? Foreigners to come and inject. So, how the PDS collapse? You have a colonial mentality. I have the colloquial mentality. So you don't know what you are saying. You need foreigners to come and say, so how the PDS collapse? So I Ghana need ya. No, it's Kadia. That's not PDS collapse. And this is for a talk. And there's no wait me and Bobaku. Wait me and Bobaku. I want to hear me. Labadi Beach Hotel. I want to hear me. Labadi Beach Hotel for there. Do you know
I try digging for information and I think
2019 by the example was 2019 he was 20 by the time was not the minister of state in 2019. So what is he talking about? What the other will chant to check for? What he can't 2028 it was not the concept. Now concept project. 2019 was when for property. When he became a minister of state. What are you talking about? 2008 concept. What's a concept? Now, for example, and what you go for? For example, Nisika would nyaya or hit it by or NDC. It doesn't matter.
Thank you very much, Minia Fuga, and of course, Asasi Jima. Mamena Masi, Yame Admai Bisan Swesha. That is